Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy Notcoin on your Tonkeeper app. Before I will show you how to buy it, there's another way how to get Notcoin on your Tonkeeper. You just need to click Receive, copy this wallet address and send Notcoin from any exchange, guys. But if you want to buy it here on Tonkeeper, you need to click Buy and Sell button right here. Scroll down and you will see buy Notcoin section. Here is only one payment provider, which is Mercurio. So just click Mercurio. It will tell you that you are opening an external app which is not operated by Tonkeeper. You just need to click open Mercurio right here. In the first section, you need to enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. You can also change the currency, guys, the relative currency, so you can change it to your local currency. For example, you want to pay USD, just enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. For example, 50. I'll show minimum, guys. Minimum is guys 10.84 USD. For example, you want to pay minimum amount, which is 10.84, and for this amount of USD you will receive 631 Notcoins on your balance. Then click buy. Here you need to choose your favorite payment option, for example Google Play or credit or debit card. Most likely you want to pay with your credit or debit card. Enter your card information here and click the pay button on the bottom. In few seconds you can check your balance on Tonkeeper. Just go to the main page and down here you will see your Notcoin balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.